Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with pretty links for cleaner affiliate URLs. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect with pretty links for cleaner affiliate URLs, begin by ensuring you have the pretty. If you haven't installed it yet, navigate to the WordPress dashboard and click on plugins, then add new. In the search bar, type pretty links and locate the plugin. Click install now, then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. After activating, look for the Pretty Links option in the WordPress dashboard menu. Click on Pretty Links, then select Add New Link to start creating a new link. In the target URL field, input the original affiliate link you want to shorten. Next, navigate to the Pretty Link field where you can customize your new cleaner URL. Choose a simple and memorable name that aligns with your brand or content. In the link type drop-down menu, choose either redirect or affiliate link based on your needs. You can also add a title or description for your new link for easier management later. For additional settings, explore the options to add tracking or nofollow attributes to your link. Once you've configured all the settings, click the Create button. Your new pretty link will now be displayed in the list of links, ready to share. To test the link, click on the pretty link you just created and ensure it redirects correctly to the original affiliate link. Now that you have a cleaner, branded URL, you can use it in your marketing strategies. Keep track of clicks and performance using the Pretty Links Analytics dashboard for optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.